And the quantity too.
Yeah. Dick likes his things spicier than I do.
Hours of training.
You need to do
back and forth? Is back and forth, Angela?
Yeah, like their fin.
Oh, okay.
Only they go. Yeah, and you need to do the Frenchman.
What? No, Tom mentioned it, but then he didn't tell me what it was.
He has to put them through their paces.
With the Frenchman thing. What is it?
I think you've heard it.
Have I?
Nathaniel does it, doesn't he?
What does the cow say?
Just dump the whole thing in.
Right order.
What does the cow say? What does the horse say?
Listen.
What does the Frenchman say?
They're ruining these children.
Like
They are just
What does
ruining
Daddy
these
say?
children.
What does Daddy say?
You see how he uses them as their little playboy.
No,
Making them
Mom,
dance
no.
and everything.
Well, yeah,
Jumping
but he's
on
used
the
them as
bed.
puppets since they were
Yeah.
like, what, a week old?
Yeah.
Remember that routine?
Yeah, with the head.
Yeah, the head. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mwah. Mwah.
Dinner right
Poor
here.
children, nobody loves them. Nobody loves the poor
Better
children.
eat.
We should try to get a group shot here.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
There's a clock.
Wait till we've already missed it, huh? It was 10 minutes ago. Did they saw it? Okay.
Yeah, that's a clock.
Busy
Go.
all the time you're